Hello everyone, good day to you all. So this is our Excel lesson number 58 and the pivot table part number 7. In this lesson I'm going to talk about another slicer. It is about timeline. So very useful slicer when you are working with pivot table reports, when you have fields with date. Okay, let's see how we can use this timeline slicer in a pivot table. I have some sample data here. So these are the data fields I have. So I'm going to take the total cost of orders with the order date. Okay, now this is the total order values, and let me take order date. So now you can see upon clicking it's already grouped. So sometimes it can be happen. So you haven't grouped it, but system automatically gives you after grouping it. And also you can see quarters and years as groups. Now remember, we learn about this during our 55th, as I remember, right? 55th lesson. We learn about how to group and how to ungroup. So then apply that learning here, because you don't want to group like this way, because now you want to have timeline slicer. So therefore you have to ungroup this. So how to do that? So come to the pivot table tools, analyze, and there you can see groups and select ungroup. So once you do that, you can see it's having the normal dates. That means the order date, and also the additional groups already removed from the field list. Okay, now we have dates and the order amount. And now you need to go to again pivot table tools, analyze, in order to take the timeline slicer. So you can see under the filters, insert timeline option. So you can see the description, use a timeline to filter dates interactively. So that is the important word, interactively. Right, so let me click on it. Once you click on it, it is giving me the available fields with the dates. In this data I have order date. So click on it and click OK. Now you can see the timeline slicer. Let me change the design. How you can do that? Come to the timeline tools, options. So under the options you can select the style that you want to have. Let me go for this green color. Okay, looks nice. And if you want to have some formatting, you can do that. You can increase the height, you can change the width, even you can remove the scroll bar if you don't want to have it. You can add it back. Also you can see here the time levels. You can filter by years, quarters, days, months. So it's automatically selected months, right? So you can change those. If you go for quarters, you will see like this. 4 years you will see like this, and days like this. So I think the month is the better option for me. And also you can remove the header if you don't want, but it is good to have the header because you know what dates it's represented in the slicer here. So likewise you can do the formatting. Okay, now let's have a feeling about it. I want to see the orders related to 2018 January. Click on it. Now you will see that information here. So likewise, if you want to have several months, let's say January to March, the quarter one, you will see like this. If you want to have the data by quarters, you can see like this, FY19, last 2 quarters, right? So like that, my dear friends, you can use the timeline slicer in order to filter the information related to your pivot tables. Now let me add another slicer here. Okay, I'm coming to the analyze under the pivot table tools, and I'm going for insert slicer. I want to take the information by item. Click OK. Alright, so I have the item list here. So let me place it correctly. And also I'm going to change the style to the green. Wow, so nice. Okay, I want to see the orders related to pens, and you can see the dates. And I want to see the status for FY19. So I go to years, I select FY19, so 2019. So then I can see the order value related to pens to 2019. So like that way, my friends, you can work with this. You can filter like this to take decisions accordingly. Alright, so that is how you can use the slicers, especially the timeline slicer, in your day-to-day work. Hope this is helpful to you, my friends. Enjoy it, apply it. Please share as much as possible with your colleagues in order to multiply the knowledge. God bless you all.